Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 1, Chemistry, Fundamentals of Chemistry. So before starting, what is chemistry? बुनियादी तौर पर chemistry is the science that deals with the composition, structure, properties of matter. So it deals with the three things: composition, properties and structure of matter. ये उन तीन चीज़ों को डिस्कस करती है. अच्छा, अब composition से फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास वाटर है. सो व्हाट इज़ द composition ऑफ वाटर? तो वाटर के अंदर बच्चे क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन होते हैं. ठीक है जी. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, इनके दरमियान में एंगल क्या है, वाटर लिक्विड कब होता है, सॉलिड कब होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं केमिस्ट्री डील करती है. सो नाउ बेसिक टॉपिक ऑफ द डे इज़ द ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. जैसे हमें पता होता है कि एक दरख्त है, उसकी एक बेस होती है, एक स्टेम होता है, एंड देन इट हैज़ वेरियस ब्रांचेस. लाइक दिस केमिस्ट्री हैज़ 8 branches, so we will discuss them one by one. Number 1 is the organic chemistry, the study of carbon containing compound. अच्छा, डायग्राम मैंने लगाई इसके ऊपर फ्लेमेबिलिटी की. सो जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे आर फ्लेमेबल, so they are fire catching. Fire is basically made of hydrocarbons. Then in organic chemistry that do not contain carbon, as previously in organic compound like sodium chloride, hydrochloric acid, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, benzoic acid. So these acids do not contain carbon as they were previously present in other compounds. Then analytical chemistry, identification of the compound and composition of material. Say for example, if you have a drug that has written all the composition of the drug that contain this and that material, and the percentage and the grams of that material are present in that particular drug. Then biochemistry that deals with the study of chemical reactions occurring in the living organisms. Living organisms के अंदर जितने भी chemical reactions हैं उनको करते हैं. जैसे डायग्राम के अंदर मैंने structure of DNA लिया हुआ है. Then we have nuclear chemistry that deals with the radioactivity and processes. Radiotherapy is the scope of that particular science. So nuclear chemistry does not involve only in destruction of the universe, but it also serves the universe in the form of electricity production, in the form of nuclear weapons. So in that particular era we are using nuclear weapons to destroy the nations and to show our supremacy. So that is all fruits of nuclear chemistry. Then we have environmental chemistry. So recently we are facing too much rains in our area as well, and we are seeing floods in that particular Karachi and all other areas. Basically these are due to unmanagement, non-management, non-practice of the governing bodies. Basically this is due to non-seriousness of environmental chemists. As we are all over the world, we are facing environmental problems. So the purpose of environmental chemist is not only to give the data but also give the solutions to the problem. So environmental chemists are saying they are actually crying over the split conditions because they want the word that we are doing wrong practices. So environmental chemists not only give us the problems but also tell what is the solution of the problems. So it is the changes in the environment. Then we have physical chemistry, that is a branch of chemistry that deals with the physical reactions or physical measurements. Say for example, it measures the gram amount of the various substances. It is a physical chemistry. So guys, we must have to write classwork. So I made 2 slides for your classwork. Number 1 is industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of manufacturing of प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन कमर्शियल स्केल्स. हम कमर्शियल स्केल्स पर जैसे फर्टिलाइज़र्स हैं, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, टेक्सटाइल्स हैं, हम इनको देखते हैं. न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री, इसको आपने राइट अप करना है और इसको आपने सबमिट करवाना है स्कूल के अंदर, ठीक है। आप लोग जो है इसको राइट अप करें बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी एंड इट इज़ एट नीड ऑफ आर टू राइट द वर्क बिकॉज वी आर trying our best to give you classroom environment, so we have classwork and homework. I hope you will write them inshallah ta'ala and you will submit them into the school. So I have also made 2 slides for homework, so try your best to write the slides. Okay, have a good day.